And here. Okay. Do you remember the name of the lesson?
Linear equations.
Linear equations. So so like lines, Cartesian plane, that one, or equations and inequalities, or maybe it was this one here. Let's have a look. Was it this one? This one here? Let's see.
Yeah, example starts with x minus 2 divided by 3.
Okay, it's not this one here. Oh yeah, here it is. X minus 2. I see L.
Yeah, it is L.
Okay. Yeah. And it says to solve that equation. Okay. X minus 2, this is L. Oh, hang on. Is it K or is it L?
L.
L. Okay. So x minus 2 divided by 3, all divided by 3, minus 3x plus 3 all squared is equal to x. I wonder if I can write with my... I don't have the... I can't find the pen for the iPad. I'm just going to see if I can write with my finger. No. Okay. Let me see if I can do an annotation here. I don't have the option for annotation. Okay. Okay, it's just the problem is I can't find the pen for the tablet, so I can't write with the tablet. Maybe I can just write. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna have to go super old school and write on paper and then just hold it up. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy the problem, and it was. Let me admit this person. So it was x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 3x plus 3 all squared is equal to x. Okay, so this is the, let's see, can you read this?
Yes.
Okay. Now that I've copied that, I'll stop sharing the screen here. Okay. And this way I'll just hold this up like this. Okay. So to solve this equation, what did you try to do?
To square everything in the bracket, to move everything at the same side.
Yeah.
To be equal 0, but
yes.
Wouldn't get results which was written.
Okay. So the idea with this problem would be to exactly what you did, which is you multiply everything out so that you end up with a quadratic expression, right? So like something to the power of 2, something times x to the power of 2 plus something times x plus something equals 0. Okay, and so what happened in your case? Let me just do that here. So I have x minus 2 divided by 3. If I open those brackets, I'm going to end up with 9x squared and then minus 18x minus 9 equals x. Okay, so when I open up the brackets there with the power of 2, that's what I ended up with. All right, because 3x plus 3 all squared ends up being 9x squared plus 2 times 9, which is 18 times x, plus 9. And then because there was a minus sign in front of it all, there's it's a minus everywhere. So far, so good?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Now let's see what else we can do. Okay, so now one thing that I don't particularly like is I don't really like this on over this side here. I have this like x minus 2 all divided by 3, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of that denominator. Okay, so I'm just going to multiply everything by 3 and I'm going to get x minus 2 minus 3 9s are 27. 27 x squared minus 3 times 18 is 54. And okay, I'm just going to write that here now. So this is my next line. So I multiplied everything through by 3. So then x minus 2 divided by 3, if I multiply that by 3, it just becomes x minus 2. If I multiply minus 9x squared by 3, I get minus 27x squared. If I multiply minus 18x by 3, I get minus 54x. And if I multiply minus 9 by 3, I get minus 27. And then I have the equal sign. And then if I multiply x by 3, I get 3x.
Okay.
Okay. And now I'm going to clean things up. I'm going to put the x's together and put the numbers together. So let's see what I will get. So I'm going to have minus 27 x squared. And then I have minus 54 x plus x is going to be minus 53x minus 29. Okay, so then my next line of working looks like this. I've just put the x's together. All right, so minus, yeah, so that's so far so good. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the 3x to the other side, so I'll have minus 27x squared minus 53x minus 3x is minus 56x minus 29 equals 0. All right, so now I have this. Minus 27x squared minus 56x minus 29 equals 0.
And now we use quadratic formula.
And now you can use the quadratic formula. And if you use the quadratic formula, you will have So the quadratic formula